I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want after this club. You know you're nasty. No Uber right at my house, you caught a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your baby, I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your baby, I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, 'cause I had no idea. I feel like a bitch in love. I feel like a bitch in love. Just to know, yeah, I do that. I feel like a bitch in love. I feel like a bitch in love. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I do that. First, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear.
Oh, my camera died when I'm literally like this. Okay. This shit hurts. Oh. I actually like this. Definitely the look I was going for. And now we're gonna customize the bottom. So it's just like holes everywhere. And then I got, you know, these little hair pin things. I'm gonna do one right here. I look so crazy in this outfit, like out of context. It's so funny. Yes, it's gonna be so cute. Okay, I only have like 10 of these. So I have like 5 for each side. I love this. I'm being hasty, but I wanna like put these little things on already just to see what it's gonna look like. I almost got the silver ones, but they didn't have like a big pack. They only had like a pack of 5 silver, so it's like whatever. I'll just get the gold. And who is like the designer of this? I think it's called like Poster Girl, right? The person who does like the leggings with the holes and the little diamonds down the middle. I think it's called Poster Girl. Alright guys, I got the bottoms done, and then I'm just doing like some cool stuff on the arms. I think I want to leave all of this like just black. So I don't want to do any extra cutting or anything around here. So I'm just going to do the other arm. I had to take a snack break. I'm going to eat hot Cheetos. I'm actually hungry. I know this is a little harsh, but I'm like figuring out the lighting and everything. But I have my lighting, my camera, and this other light in case I need it. And then I have my backdrop set up. So I'm gonna like prop you guys up somewhere so you can see. I'm gonna put this like in front of me. You won't see it. I'm in pain sitting like this. Holy shoot. Okay, let's see. These are cute. I actually really like these. I just need to. All right, guys, that is a wrap. I got some really good pictures, and I think they're gonna look really cool once I edit them. I already took my lashes off because, girl, that was a lot for me. They sitting over there. About to go to sleep. I still got these on. I need to take them off, but that was fun. I like doing at-home photo shoots. It's much harder when you're pregnant, though. Like, that hardwood floor, ain't it? And I took a few TikToks too, so make sure you follow me on TikTok, Audry.rose. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel because I filmed this whole look. Obviously, I look kind of crazy right now because I took my lashes off, but I filmed this whole look. And yeah, guys, I will see you on the next video. Thanks for hanging out with me while I did this little at-home photo shoot.